I paused the video for a moment to get out the paints and put them on the paper palette. So now I'm going to start. I start with a fairly wide brush. That's maybe 3 inches wide, and I put water on the paper, or the plastic in this case, because when the paint-laden brush hits the water, it spreads in interesting ways. So now to load up the brush. I'm starting with Van Dyke Brown, which is a very dark brown, and I put it on one side of the brush, and I use Hooker's Green, a dark green, on the other side of the brush. And then we'll see what happens. Let's see. So there is a start, and you can see a little bit about how the paint spreads out when it hits the wet spaces. So now, let's see. The paint is pretty dark, so I use just white paint, titanium white, to kind of lighten certain areas and perhaps soothe them. Now I have 3 colors on the brush. Okay, let's see. The yellow that I put on was cadmium yellow light, and this is cobalt turquoise. Well, well, that was more Van Dyke Brown. So we've got a range of colors and tones. And now I'm going to try something else, which is to take paint off. Now I'm using a smaller brush. And I'm mixing yellow ochre, turquoise blue, and white. You know, I'm 80 years old, and sometimes I have a little tremor in my hands. Well, I don't know. That could be done. A lot of the time, I leave a lot of white space on the UPO, which is the plastic paper, YUPO, and my gallerist liked it very much, and I do want to please him, but, you know, he hates pink too, but I'm going to use pink anyway. Just a little line work. Well, I don't know. Sometimes it's good to stop while you're ahead, and I feel like the painting is pretty good now. Well, I don't think I'm adding very much to it, but so I'll stop and let the painting dry, and then take the tape off and sign it and date it, and maybe give it a title. So anyway, that's it.